Community. It's your color mother. So today I just want to introduce you guys to a very good friend of mine. Now this video will be a hair color video and you guys will kind of see I've already changed my color. I know many of you are fairly new to this channel. Many of you guys probably are not aware of my testimony. I know every time I hop on this camera I call myself the color mother. So let me formally introduce myself to you guys, hair color community. My name is Janae Miller. I am the owner and the lead colorist at Janae Miller Salons, located in Houston, Texas. My specialty is hair color, blowouts, and I also do lots of healthy hair maintenance. And I have been in business a little over 3 years. And before I actually started my business, there was a great friend of mine by the name of Sasha who allowed me to use her salon to actually grow and build my clientele. And guys, this was like a prayer sent, all right? She allowed me to grow my clientele. I didn't have to really worry about meeting quotas and doing retail sales. She really gave me the opportunity to solely focus on building my business. So I wanted to introduce you guys to my good friend Sasha. She is also a hair color specialist and she is a fellow color enthusiast. So in today's video, hair color community, you will meet my good friend Sasha and you'll just kind of see how we bounce off of each other. I think it is very important as an entrepreneur to find yourself and to surround yourself with individuals who are doing what you want to do or who are doing what you do so you guys can sharpen each other, all right? So without any further ado, hair color community, let's start the production. So today we are going to just have a quick impromptu video. Okay everybody, so before I have you guys meet Sasha, this is the back of her head. But I am actually retouching her lightener retouch, and we're getting ready to do just a nice shallow root on her once everything's said and done. So I shared with you guys a while ago that I had started my business on $300. And before I started my business, I had a great friend who allowed me to build clientele inside of her business. How wonderful would it be for you guys to actually meet this person, my pretty much earth sister angel. When I first started my business, Sasha was the person who brought me into the industry. We are both color enthusiasts. So hair color community, in this video you will be meeting my great friend Sasha. What's this? Okay, Sasha, I just need you to tell people, but first of all, okay, can I come to the camera? Can I? Let me get in a frame. Okay. I just need a.
Oh, okay, yeah, I like that. All right.
This is my color sis. Okay, she is licensed. Okay,
yes,
we both do color. Okay, but Sasha brought me into the game.
I did.
Don't act like
I didn't. I just helped her out.
She believed in me when you had your business and you let me build my clientele there until I was able to get my business.
I did.
So anyway, I need you to tell the people, what are we doing today?
We are lifting my black roots. And then I had a green mid shaft and I have my blue ends, and we're keeping my blue ends. I'm gonna do a color melt.
Yes.
With a midnight blue.
Ooh. It's gonna be pretty.
Yes.
Can you tell us what, like, cause you've been color like I have had color, right?
Right.
Is there anything you want to tell people who have, for those who might have fear of color, what would you tell them?
Fear of color. Don't be afraid of color. Like, if you really want the color, just get educated on the maintenance of the hair and what happens. You know, just do it.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
And you and I, well, you cut your hair too.
Yeah.
You color, that's how you
cut our color.
But she is a color enthusiast, a fellow color enthusiast, but she knows what it takes.
I do.
To get the color.
I do.
And we don't preach fear on this platform.
I cut my hair, I color my hair. Whatever I'm feeling at the moment for the year, my new little outlook, you know, I'm not afraid to change it up.
Exactly. And you'll flat iron if you need a flat iron.
Listen, I'm about to have 3 kids. This flat iron is about to stay in my hair for about another year and a half.
Exactly.
I don't have time to deal with my afro. I don't. I'm that type of natural right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, thank you. And so we're just going to go ahead and get this midnight blue, and then we'll be coming right back.
All right.
And you'll just see us just really collaborating. I'm going to do her hair. She did my hair, you know, so we both refreshed each other's hair. All right, everybody, so I am starting with our shadow root technique. As you heard, Sasha had a little section that still carried some green tones, and so we actually decided to kind of play with that. All right, so she's going to have this really, what we're anticipating is to have this really nice transitional color, something that's going from the midnight blue. You are going to see like this little transition of like this greenish blue going into this vibrant blue that she has on the ends. Now I had to ask Sasha, I was like, well, what color is this blue, child? Because the blue was not budging, okay? And so she told me that she actually used Manic Panic, guys. Manic Panic. It brought me back to those years when I first started using fashion colors. Manic Panic was like one of the very first colors that I used. So I just went in to refresh that vibrant blue just so everything could look nice and have the depth that we were looking for. But guys, I mean, this blue, like I told you, was not budging. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this color application globally all throughout her hair, and I make sure to push that color through. That is very important when you're working with textured hair. You really want to push and work that color product through so you can have the best results. Okay, so Sasha is getting ready to take care of me because I'm just in a brighter season, you know, and I always say my color transitions are a reflection of like my spirit. You know, I like the kind of smoky lilac grayish. I'm ready to do something a little different.
So we're gonna take this purple because I like the purple. She's trying to get rid of it, but we're gonna have a dark purple melted out up here. We're gonna do panels of raspberry because she's not giving this red up. So our vibe here is like sunset.
Yes, so sunset and water.
Sunset and water.
So we doing, that's exactly what was in my vision though. I actually, before I did this color, was thinking about doing like that purple raspberry going into like that salmon like orangey type look.
This is what happens when we get together.
Exactly.
This stuff like this happens.
Yes. Okay, so as we switch into this frame, Sasha is going in to add a little more depth to my hair. Don't get me wrong, I love this really dusty lavender look, but I wanted to have a little more depth just for this season because I feel as if I've been in this kind of muted tone for a while, and I will actually be doing a review, so just look out for that. I will be doing a review on this particular dusty lavender color that you guys see, okay? But right now we're just changing the color, so don't get alarmed when you see a video of me and you see that I have this dusty lavender hair color, because my video uploads are kind of out of whack right now. But anyway, so Sasha is just going to apply this purpley color, fuchsia color to the base of my hair. And we actually added like these warmer orange red tones on the ends. Now I wasn't anticipating the ends to really pick up too much of that color. I simply just wanted to add a little more warmth to my ends, and I knew that my lavender hair would kind of, since that was the undertone, it would change the tones of the color that we applied.
Cause we up here color melting on a Saturday night.
On a Saturday night.
We're sunset and water.
And what? Please, I needed this. Jesus.
We needed some vibrant.
I just needed
color,
that vibrancy, that depth. Like
yeah,
you said.
depth. That's
needed
the
that
word.
because I've been so muted in that. This is oh God dog it. And then we got your shadow roots.
Listen about these shadow roots.
Alright guys, so this is something you guys don't see me do much on my channel, but I am cleaning up Sasha's haircut because she had her hubby, okay? Her husband was the one who did this haircut for her. So my goal was just to go in and clean up, you know, any of the uneven layers that I saw. And she had a very blunt line in the back, so we just wanted to give the hair a little more movement. So that's what you see me doing here. All right, I had to kind of get everything even because we had some unevenness. So I'm just kind of evening out her bob. So a fun fact about me, I actually like doing haircuts. When I was in cosmetology school, hair color was my strong point, and interesting enough, cutting was also a strong point for me. So I would love to advance my skills when it comes to haircuts in the future.
Just go ahead, just let the camera see what we got going on. Oh, please, please, oh, please. Do we have our retouch going on?
Yeah.
How do you feel, Ocean? How do we feel down there?
We feeling nice and deep and silky.
We feel nice and deep and silky.
Would be.
Yeah, we fixed that cut. The husband, you know, kind of, he did what he could, but I mean, we just, no. I'm not gonna play with you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna play with you. I love this.
That's how it goes.
Yeah, just open it up in the back for us, just so we can kind of see that girl. Oh yes, look at all of that different. Yes, yes. Oh, did you? Don't hurt him now. Don't hurt him.
I'm over here just acting up.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just up here.
And Sasha managed to have me blow dry my hair.
Yes, that depth, you know, it's everything.
That's it. I know. I might probably add some curls or something in the morning. It's cold enough, so it's good. But look, this is what we have going on.
We got some vibrancy going on in those roots.
And we gotta show them yours. Come on, close to the camera.
For our skin at least, because we pull so much yellow, like we always need depth.
Yeah.
And that's why you weren't happy with the gray.
I think that's what it was. Because our skin, we are naturally warm.
Yeah.
We have like yellow orange tones.
So
yeah, I mean, you definitely want to pick colors that are good for your skin tone. And for me, I just feel like warmer tones look best on my skin.
Yeah.
Even though your blue is a cool tone, it still has depth.
It's deep.
Yeah. And it's still very pigmented and it's very vibrant.
Yeah, it's not washed out.
Exactly.
So you just needed a little pop.
Yes, exactly. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in with us today. This was just kind of like an impromptu video. Talk to you guys later. God bless. Bye. So, Hair Color Community, that is pretty much the wrap up of the production. As you guys saw at the end of that video, my hair was blown out. It was straight. I wore that for a while. I wore that kind of more solid color, and then I went in and decided to add a bit more color because I figured it was time to add a little more color. I decided to deepen things a little bit, and my hair kind of reminds me of like a nice bouquet, a maroon bouquet. I've gotten a couple of questions from you guys about how to start your own business. Honestly, there are really many ways, but just don't let fear stop you, okay? Whatever it is, formulate a plan, I pray, okay? And yeah, you just go from there, but don't allow fear to stop you, okay? Hair Color Community, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there are any entrepreneurs, salon owners out there, if you're in cosmetology school and you're looking to possibly work inside of a salon, or maybe you are working in a salon now and you're thinking about going and doing your own thing, guys, I just want to say do it, all right? Well, I hope this video could encourage somebody out there. I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.